This is a video of the Smart Karton all-paper pack insert, which has been designed for fragile, heavy items. So as you can see here, we've got a box. This would represent a camera lens, things like that. As you can tell, it's got quite a bit of weight in it. There's like about 12 pounds of weight in that, so it's very, very dense. So what we actually have is we have a corrugated blank, as you can see. Laminated to this blank, there is heavy-duty cohesive paper. And as I said, this has already been laminated to the board so nothing can move. What we also do is we gummy glue at each end to keep the whole thing flat, and then these are actually supplied in a flat in a box to keep the cohesive paper down. So what we do is we take our product, in this case the box. You can obviously see that it's centered in on the actual liner itself. Then simply what we do is we pop it off from the actual liner at each end. This is just using gummy glue, like so. Simply attach that here, and then we bring the paper together. And basically what we do is we join the paper. Now this is cohesive, which only sticks to itself. It won't stick to the product. Then what we do is we wrap that around the actual product. Like so. Now, what we then do is we pick the whole thing up. Now this is laminated so nothing can move. As you see, if I tip this, it's pretty heavy, but nothing can actually move. This thing goes into the outer box, fits in the outer box, slides down inside, like so. Now, our standard insert would just be like this. This wouldn't be here, be level at the top, nothing could actually move. We're going to supply some of those as well. However, one of the concerns we have is with a really heavy item, more anything over about 10 pounds, then we're concerned that the board itself, the paper itself would separate from the board. Obviously it's only held on by glue. So what we do in this case is we have a way in which we then support this top even more. And simply what we do is we take this away. If you'll notice here, the insert separates. This is holding the board in place. This then folds around the product, giving it even more support. Here we have double-sided tape. You just simply peel that off, like so, and you take it and you fold this right around the product, and then you seal that in place. So now we have a corrugated top to it as well. If you hold this upside down, these will be held in place. As you'll see, nothing can actually move because everything is actually held up there. So even this heavy weight is held in place. What we then do, obviously the box is then sealed as normal. Go through the tape. This would obviously can be done at a packing station, like so. We're going to drop it a few times here just to kind of show. We're going to drop it on the side. We're going to drop it on its head. We're going to drop it on its corners. You can tell how heavy this thing is. What we do is we'll open it up. Now, if we look in there, as we can see, everything has stayed in place. When the customer gets it, they simply lift it out. Actually, they can just lift it out like so, the whole thing will come out, like so. Now, what we've also noticed here is that the paper gives added protection on the sides. Nothing is actually pulled away. So that has all been held in place as well. And then obviously they can simply just tear this open. And there is the product. This is using a 70-pound craft paper. But even with that, the customer can still actually just tear it open and get to the item. And there's the item. And that's a video of the Smart Karton all paper pack insert for heavy duty products.